Hang on a second. Have you ever wondered what the purpose of an egg is in a Vitumbua recipe? Stay right there, I've got an idea. I've decided to make 2 batches today. So this batch has an egg and this batch has no egg. I noticed that the batch with an egg actually turned out more runny. And so if you're going to use an egg in your Vitumbua, then make sure you put the egg in before the rest of the liquid so that you can control the consistency of the actual batter. And the reason why the batter goes really runny when you put an egg in is because an egg is supposed to be 75% water. So these are the results. On the left-hand side, you'll see the batch without an egg. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see the batch with an egg. I feel like the batch on the left-hand side looks more authentic, and that was my favorite result actually. Thanks for watching. See ya.